Hello, we're here today with Tina Deltz to talk a little bit about some of the new features of QuickBooks 2011. Tina, can you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your accounting background?
Absolutely. I've been in accounting for 30 years. I've serviced a variety of clients across all of the industries essentially that are out there, and have been a QuickBooks user for about 16 years.
Wow, I'm impressed. So what feature are you going to talk to us about today?
I'd like to talk a little bit about the transaction by name feature. What this does is that it eliminates some pain points for accountants and end users by allowing them a quick glimpse of that particular vendor or customer's history while they're creating the invoice or bill. It's going to give them the name, the phone number, outstanding bills or payments, a little bit about the outstanding sales orders or purchase orders, as well as average days to pay for customers, so that they can see immediately what's going on with that particular customer or vendor and eliminate the need to have to flip through multiple screens.
Wow, all right. Well, how is this a benefit to you as the accountant?
Well, for example, if I'm creating an invoice for a customer and I want to see an outstanding sales order and how much of that has previously been invoiced, it's going to be right there at my fingertips without having to flip through, as I said, multiple screens to get there. In addition, it's going to also let people know right off the bat that this particular customer is 30 days or 60 days past due, which will trigger them immediately not to invoice additional information until they receive some of those past due payments.
Well, wonderful. Let's take a look at the feature.
Absolutely.
QuickBooks customers have been requesting the ability to view customer information and recent transaction history while creating transactions. And now, with QuickBooks 2011, they can. Simply open any transaction on which a name can be selected. Open an estimate, invoice, sales receipt, or credit memo and select a customer name or customer job, and within seconds the customer's information and most recent transaction history will appear. The same is true of vendors on purchase orders, bills, and inventory receipts, although the information displayed differs slightly for customers and vendors. The information displayed for customers in the transaction history window includes the phone number, email address, current open balance, and their active estimates and open sales orders. Notice that several of these items are hyperlinks that allow you to view more in-depth information or perform other tasks, such as sending the customer an email. There is also a link to open and edit the customer's information. The 5 most recent transactions for this customer are shown by date with amounts, transaction type, and status listed. A quick report link allows you to see additional details on the transactions, such as transaction number, account information, and cleared status. There is also a field that allows you to keep notes on the customer. To record a note, click the Edit button and the notepad for the selected customer or job will open. Type in your notes and click OK. The notes will now appear in the transaction history window. You can edit the notes at any time. You can also date stamp notes, add to-dos with reminders, and even print notes. As the transaction history window takes up valuable screen space, it can be minimized as needed. The Name History and Transactions feature will improve efficiency and make it easier for businesses to make informed decisions about their customers and vendors.